Hey there Prime Coders, welcome back to Prime Coding. I'm Aditya and in this video, I'm going to discuss the TCS NQT 2025 interview experience which is be held on 13th of November to 14th of November. Okay, here we'll discuss few set of interview experience which will be shared to me via email or either on the Telegram. Okay, so let's begin without wasting much time. So yes, this is my mail ID. If you think you want to share your interview opportunity, you can directly mail on adityamishra@primecoding.in in detail what type of questions you got, how was the experience, anything that you want to communicate with your peers so that your peer can prepare accordingly. Okay, so as one of the candidate whose name is Harsh, I was connected with him on Telegram for a long, but let's now check about his interview experience. So it lasted for 1 hour. Okay, it's lasted for 1 hour. And yes, the rules are simple. There are 3 panelists, HR, MR and TR. Okay, so they ask questions randomly on any domain. Let it be cloud, let it be machine learning, let it be blockchain or anything. In the case of him, there are some set of technology that he need to answer. In your case, it may be some different set of questions. But yes, we'll discuss thoroughly because his interview was of 1 hour. So this will help you out to know, okay, what types of question you can expect. So they asked simple programming question with difficult constraint. What is difficult constraint? I know you might have studied about time complexity and space complexity. If you lower the n value or increase the value of n, you need to write an optimal code, isn't it? So yes, you need to know about the optimization of simple programs. Yes, so mostly resume based and internship oriented questions, and some candidates are having 30 minutes interview, some has 1 hour. Mine was for 1 hour. They asked questions on Docker as well and cloud, which is type of the content that he mentioned in his resume. Because if I tell you his resume, let me increase the size. Okay, so you can see the resume content. Okay, as he is from Mumbai. Okay, this is a Mumbai based interview experience. So yes, as you can see here, project on cloud Oracle REST API development for enhanced automation. Okay, so yeah, this is an experience. On you can see he also have Amazon ML Challenge 2024, AI based mental health care using NLP based chat bot, graphical password authentication system using HTML, CSS, PHP, SQL. As you can see, he only know about Oracle, like EPM Oracle Cloud, but the questions were related to Dockers. So the questions are out of the bounds. But yes, if you are learning EPM Cloud and if you are eager to learn more about cloud, you should definitely search on internet. Okay, why these companies are using this cloud? Why don't this company use any other cloud? Then you will get to know specification. Or if you're fortunate enough that you can crack an internship too, ask your manager, sir, why Docker is not being used here? Why we are not using AWS? What is the problem? Okay, they will let you know specific reasons that will help you in your upcoming interview. So you can see he have a machine learning project, he have some cloud words and OCR based, okay, that ML project, that F1 score, great. So now, like you can see the technical skills as well, data structure, SQL intelligence, AWS, machine learning, NLP and generative AI. But nowhere he wrote about cloud, but still question he got it from clouds. Now, let's deep dive into his whole interview experience. Okay, AWS data storage and technology, as he only wrote about Amazon ML school challenge, which is totally different than the AWS cloud systems. It is for machine learning candidates, how they can perform or how they can write ML codes and where they can learn the functionality, the infra would be given there. But yeah, instead of being in ML school, he need to answer some data storage technology. And luckily he was able to. So now I asked him to, can you share me the questions in detail? So he told bias, variance, data science, and how will you connect camera to your Python, which is totally a second set of questions. Because in his project, if we see, OCR based entity. Okay, so if he wrote about OCR, so it may be he will be taking a real time pictures. So yes, that's why the implementive call, that's why the implementive question has been asked to him. So it's totally like if you build some project, you need to know about in depth, as you might following my interview series. There you definitely get to know till now here is either they will tell you to write the code, or otherwise they will tell you to get about everything, get to know about everything, whatever you mentioned, whatever you did in your project. Okay, so yes, then I asked him so that people can relate. So he told, which library will you use to use this connect camera, and the follow-up questions. Now why Python only, why don't you use C++ and Java? And the third part, like it is out of the conversation, he told me if you mention these Java, C++, Python, you should be able to know about in depth. Okay, so please mention only one or two language which you are comfortable with. Don't put everything, because he told whoever mentioning all the languages, they are getting in-depth questions and you are not able to answer there, because every engineer will have one best language that he prefer to write code, and another would be very light language, isn't it? But if you write C++, Java, so you can expect more questions from it and you should able to answer. If you know well, you can definitely mention in your resume. Now day-to-day life examples, which is typically real time example, okay, that you need to talk about where you can use AI and stuff. ML also same, the same question has been came to ML as well. Most questions like 30 minutes based on his internship, which is totally dependable because he did internship in Accenture, and rest 30 minutes was random questions on projects or domain like Kubernetes. Now see, he worked in Oracle. Now question came on Kubernetes, and also question came on Docker as well. So see, if you know about cloud, you need to know, at least you need to have a good knowledge of all the cloud platforms which are more trendy nowadays, isn't it? Dockers and AWS, okay. Some behaviors and HR questions as well. Surprisingly, is that duration of interview is variable. Mine was 1 hour and my friend was 30 minutes. So don't know who they will prefer. Once result come, he will definitely let us know. But yes, I will tell you is, duration doesn't matter. It's depend upon interviewer to interviewer, how he is testing the candidate. And as, okay, few of the interviewer judge candidate very quickly, so they may take 15-minute interview as well, because there are multiple states where panelists only took 15-20 minutes interview, and few interviewer want to check the in-depth knowledge of candidate, so they may go to 60 minutes for sure. That's why our mock session is made for 60 minutes, which is for worst case. And every resume question, whatever resume question can be found, in the worst case too will be covered in your mock interviews, as well as 1 hour of comprehensive feedbacks and resume review, your doubt solving, mentorships, guidance. So the session is around 90 to 100 minutes, totally depend upon the doubts you have, the things that we need to communicate, all things whether it's checked or not, because we'll check your coding, HR, MR, resume questions, subject-based questions, situation-based questions, you name it, and you will find in this session. For that, you just need to visit www.primecoding.in and see. You will not waste your interview opportunity by giving some wrong answers, because you know how to tackle the worst condition. So this platform of Prime Coding will change or will transform your interview opportunity to the offer letter, so that you can make your parents proud. Okay, so this was a Prime interview experience. So let's discuss 14th of November, which is today's digital interview experience. I right away got a call from a candidate who appeared on 12 p.m. Okay, so now let's talk about the first question, which is typically introduction to make you feel calm in the interview, so that you will be saturated and feel good in the cabin. After that he saw in his resume that, like most of the people I also observed, they mentioned, okay, 100 plus questions on lead code. They mostly mention these types of stuff in their resume. Okay, so now if you mention this, now basically few basics check question would be given from interviewer that what are the types of data structure. Now most of the people do say, so there are many types, array, string, linked list. No, there are only two types, which is linear and non-linear, or either sequential and non-sequential data structure. In that, there are multiple types of data structure. Like in linear, we have array, linked list, string, stacks, queues. But luckily, this candidate was able to answer this question as he is from our mock interview, which is from our Prime coding community. Great. So types of data structure I was able to give, as the same question has been asked in the interview too. Now, the third question would be simple. If you talk about linear data structure and you mention array and linked list, then definitely you will definitely get this particular question. Why? Because if you know how linked list has been stored in database, anywhere in the memory, one node can be stored here, one node can be stored here, one node can be stored here, one node can be stored here. And each node has two phases. First where the value has been stored, and another where the address on the next node would be stored. Okay, so that's the way that all linked lists are connected, but they are not continuous in the memory space. Then how we call linked list as a linear data structure? Okay guys, this is a quick homework. Okay, please let me know in the comment section, okay, what you feel. I hope you got the question. Please remind it. You will get to know more clearly what I asked. Great. So yes, please put it in the comment section what you feel. Now let's talk about we're done with array versus linked list. Now project section starts. Now project sections in-depth question, which he doesn't want to care about because he is totally well versed with this. Because if you mention all ML project, and definitely ML algo, okay, this is a bit clumsy. Okay, ML algo used. Okay, whatever algorithm you use to build your ML project, you should know that, because ML is a vast technology, or I would say a technique to solve an ML or business problem. So you should know what to use, when to use. It totally depend upon category or what type of model your actually project is all about. Is that a classification or regression? Which algorithm suits well according to the business needs? So which algorithm you used and why you used, this is the best question to ask a candidate to check whether he built a particular code or he copied from somewhere. Because if you copied, you will definitely use SVM without having any context, and you will say, sir, I used SVM, I got 90% of accuracy. But how? You are not aware of that. Now, as he told, like in his resume, he wrote 95.666, something like that, accuracy has been achieved by his ML project. Now the second question was, what performance metrics you have used? If the guys were not from machine learning, performance metrics is the thing which will help your model to test how much accurate it is. Okay, on the test data, how much accurate value your model is generating. So yes, he told about multiple performance metrics that he used. So if you tell about that, then definitely one of that is ROC score or RUC score, something like that. RUC score, as he said, and confusion metrics. What? The difference of both of them has been asked to him. Now, the candidates who are from different domain, please try to relate. They are going in dive of everything or in depth of every project. Not only this, if you continuously watching all interview experience, you might have found that they are asking you in-depth knowledge. So if you have a ML project or a DL project or MERN project, try to find a good mentor who can tell you how to answer this particular question. Okay. Or if you want to crack off campus opportunity, you can take help of Hito. Hito is an AI platform where you need to write your prompt and you will get a best suited mentor as per your prompt and as per your budget. How it works, as you can see on the screen, you will get a prompt where you need to write a prompt looking for a top rated affordable mentor with experience cracking major tech companies. You can mention these companies, which is totally a dream company for most of us. Then the Hito asks you, what is your budget? You need to tell, my budget is this much. So it will recommend you few profiles. So if you click on any of the profile, you will get into that creator profile. You can see helping crack to interviews, SDE2, which is a great position in a big product based company. So you can book a 1-to-1 mock session. And do you need to pay $499? No, you don't need to pay $499, because I have a coupon code for you. Like, you just need to add Aditya 10 and you will get straight 10% discount on this particular order. Okay, so you just need to go and click on this order worth of rupees 499 of offer. You will get only in 280. Like mentorship in just in 299, you will get it in just 280 rupees. Isn't it interesting? So without wasting time, find your mentor now and get the good guidance and crack the bigger company as compared to the service-based company. The link would be in the description. The coupon code is also there in the description. Do book your session. Now let's come on. After asking these types of differences-based question, they come on less marks in 10th class. See how they came on the context of 10th class, because all of the mark sheets are with them. Okay, so yes, 10th class has been asked. And about interest, they ask about interest of yours, like what is your interest. He told cricket. Then he asked, okay, who you admire and why. Then again the King Kohli, he named the King Kohli. So Virat Kohli, then what things that you like in Virat Kohli and why you like Virat Kohli, where he is from. So see, the same general knowledge type question is also there, because if you admire someone, you might know about, or you definitely know about everything of that person. Okay, so yes, please try to learn from these types of interview experiences so that you will not mess with your actual interview experience. And it is better to have a live experience before your interview, because these types of interview will come only once. Okay, after this on campus, you have only option left for off-campus opportunity. Now it is better to have something from your on campus so that you can upgrade yourself in off campus TCS NQT. Okay, and okay, if you're not able to get something, okay, don't be demoralized or demotivated. You can study for off campus. N number of content is present on Prime coding, which will help you to crack. And as I also created 5 days of roadmap, which will help you to keep you on track. What all subjects that you need to study, how you need to study, how all topics could be asked to you, as well as please subscribe to the channel if you have not, because the crash course for free will be available for all of you. So you need to show the support for that crash course too. Okay, if you are interested in crash course, if you want to share your interview experience, if you want to share in personal interview experience, I shared your mail. My comment section is open. You can let me know everything that you want to know. Okay, you can just put in the description or comment section. You will get to know about everything. And if you are admiring any top mate creator, let it be any creator present on top mate, you just apply Aditya-10 coupon code. You will get straight discount from my side, which is 10%. Okay, it is very hard to get because no creator will get these coupon code. Instead of my commission, I just removed my commission and I asked whoever is getting it, do give the commission to them, so that because you guys gave me many things, so I should also give you in return. So this is the gift for you. You just need to check out Aditya-10, any creator, let it be an American or any foreign creator. If you see discount coupon there, apply Aditya-10, you will get straight discount. So the charge is about platform charge or something they took, they would be either vanished or you will get 10% discount on any purchase. Okay, so yeah, this is from my side. Please subscribe channel if you have not, like this video and share with your friends. We'll meet you with a new video soon.